Have you ever wondered how to incorporate mindfulness into your everyday activities? Well, mindfulness is more than a buzzword, it's a practice, a way of life that promotes relaxation, self-awareness, and personal growth. We often think of it as something that requires dedicated time or a specific setting, but what if we could transform our everyday activities into opportunities for mindfulness? From eating to walking, breathing to gardening, every moment holds potential for mindfulness. Now let's delve into how we can turn ordinary tasks into mindful experiences. Imagine transforming mundane tasks into moments of self-awareness and tranquility. This is the essence of mindfulness in action, and today we'll explore how to incorporate it into our daily lives. Consider, for instance, the act of eating. It's something we do every day, but how often do we truly savor each bite? By chewing slowly, feeling the texture, and tasting the flavors, we can transform eating from a routine task into a mindful experience. Walking, too, can become an exercise in mindfulness. Whether you're strolling through a park or simply moving from one room to another, focus on the sensation of each step. Feel your foot lift off the ground, move through the air, and make contact again. This is walking redefined, a meditative practice. Breathing is something we do without thinking, but when we pay attention to it, the act becomes transformative. Feel the air as it enters your lungs, hold it, and then release. This simple act of mindful breathing can bring a sense of calm and focus. Listening to music or ambient sounds can also serve as a vehicle for mindfulness. Instead of merely hearing the sounds, truly listen. Each note, each rhythm, each silence holds its own significance. Gardening, with its close connection to nature, provides an excellent opportunity for mindfulness. Feel the soil sift through your fingers, nurture the plants, and in doing so, nurture your soul. Driving, often seen as a stressful activity, can be a journey of awareness. Feel your hands on the wheel, your eyes on the road, and the hum of the engine. Each moment is an opportunity for mindfulness. Even cleaning, often considered a chore, can be a calming, mindful activity. Whether you're washing dishes or sweeping the floor, each movement can be a step in a dance of mindfulness. Reading offers another opportunity for mindfulness. Immerse yourself in every word, every sentence. Let the text resonate within you, creating a mindful reading experience. A shower or bath can be a fantastic opportunity for mindfulness. Feel each drop of water as it touches your skin, washing away stress and negativity. Exercise, too, whether it's yoga, tai chi, or a simple stretch, can be a form of mindful practice. Focus on each posture, each movement, and the sensations they bring. Observing the world around us, whether it's a sunset or a bird in flight, allows us to engage our senses and practice mindfulness. Lastly, communication. In every conversation, practice active listening. Be fully present, and let empathy and understanding guide your responses. As you can see, any activity can become a mindful practice, opening doors to inner peace and self-discovery. Mindfulness is not a destination, but a journey. It's about finding peace and awareness in the now. Throughout this video, we've explored the art of incorporating mindfulness into everyday activities, from savoring the texture and taste of food with mindful eating to transforming daily tasks like driving or cleaning into meditative practices. We've breathed new life into our steps with mindful walking, found tranquility in mindful gardening, and immersed ourselves in the enriching experiences of mindful reading, listening, and bathing. Even our conversations can be laced with mindfulness through active listening and a present, empathetic response. The beauty of mindfulness is that it can permeate every aspect of our lives, transforming ordinary tasks into meditative, enriching experiences. So, there we have it, a guide to finding mindfulness in the daily activities that make up our lives. Please like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Thank you for watching a Wisdom Waves video. Until next time, live mindfully.